I was bursting with ideas when I was deciding what my first video blog should be, but upon good advice, I did some keyword research to find out what people are searching for, and I was quite shocked to see that one of the most commonly searched topic is how many sets of teeth you get and when. Welcome to Riz Dentopedia. I'm Riz and I'm here to accomplish the mission to explain teeth and dentistry for everyone to understand and thus protect your teeth. So, how many sets of teeth do we get? Like most mammals, we are diphyodonts. That means we get two sets of teeth, but there are exceptions to this. So the whales, they are monophyodont. That means they get only one set of teeth. And then there is kangaroos and elephants, they're polyphyodonts. That means they get many sets of teeth. The fortunate thing about being a diphyodont is that even if you don't look after your first set of teeth as well as we should be, you get a second set which you can look after better. But the unfortunate thing is that you get both the first and the second set as children. The first set of teeth is your milk teeth, or in professional terms, deciduous teeth. These teeth start forming when you're in your mom's tummy and they start erupting from the age of 6 months when you're ready to explore the food world. They are 20 in number and you have 10 on the top jaw and 10 on the bottom, and you get a full set by the age of 2.5 to 3 years of age. They stay in the mouth from 3 to 6 years of age. From the age of 6, these milk teeth start exfoliating and you start getting your adult teeth, or your second set called as permanent teeth. There are quite a few differences between your milk and your adult teeth. Your milk teeth is whiter and prettier and it suits a little baby's face, so you're quite surprised when you start getting these big teeth which is not suit the child's face, but it's usually ready for an adult version of you. The second difference is that the milk teeth, although whiter and prettier, it's not as strong, and their roots are not as long, so they are basically meant to fall out. But the other problem is that they do tend to get decayed quicker and sooner. Another difference between the adult and the milk teeth is that you get 20 of your milk teeth, which is all replaced by adult teeth, but you also get extra 3 teeth per quadrant. That means extra 12. That takes the number to 32. At the age of 6, the usual teeth to erupt into the mouth first is usually your lower front central incisors to replace your milk teeth, so they start wobbling and fall out. But also similar time you get your adult first permanent molar that comes behind your set of milk teeth as an extra molar. And then from 6 to 13 years of age, most of your other milk teeth will exfoliate and fall out, and your adult teeth come into the mouth to replace them. And at the age of 13, you get your second molar that is behind your first molar, making the count of teeth up to 28. That means 2 extra teeth per quadrant. And then the final set of teeth to erupt into the mouth is at the age of 18 to 21. That's your third molars that come right at the back of all of your teeth in each of the quadrants, so you get extra 4 to take the number total to 32. So wisdom teeth have an interesting story. So if you believe in their evolution, we believe that we've come from the monkey, so for aesthetic reasons our faces and jaws have shrunk to the size that it is now. So the wisdom teeth does not have enough space for it to usually come to the mouth sometimes. And the thing I like about this is that, in UK the NHS provides free treatment for children, so the parents are very diligent to bring children up from, so you keep seeing them every 6 months up until the age of 15, 16, and then they stop coming for family appointments, then they come separately, and then they fall off the register because they don't come often enough. And then their wisdom teeth start erupting, and the eruption pain, or sometimes the fact that it does not come out fully and it causes infection called as pericoronitis. These young adults, that's usually the first time they come back after coming off from the family group. And I really like this time, and I always use it well to help educate them and motivate them to keep coming back and looking after their teeth, because I think that's a crucial age. But that's one thing I love about wisdom teeth. This brings us to the most important takeaway of today's topic. That is, you get only 2 sets of teeth, and my motto is that there is no third set. That means you've got to look after the second set that starts erupting from the age of 6 and is completed almost most of it by 13 years of age, when you are still a teenager, and if looked after well, they can last you a lifetime. So this is me, Riz, signing off. Look after your teeth. Oh, by the way, before you go away, definitely hit the bell notification first, because otherwise you'll not be notified because of the thousands of videos that's pumped onto the platform YouTube. But also subscribe and like the channel so that I stay motivated to make many more videos like this for you.